All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, let's talk toolbox organization. Now, I've done videos on how I organize my roll cart, but let's talk about some ideas for, well, organizing your toolbox. Now, I have a good bit of space. In case you haven't seen the wall of Rebels, I've got a lot of drawers, I got a locker, I've got good space. Now, one of the things I like to do, and I've liked to do for a very long time, is group commonly used tools together. Why? So when you need a certain tool, i.e. cutting, air hammer, stuff like that, it's all in one drawer. Now I know sometimes it's not possible depending on your setup. You know, when I was a younger tech, it was like what fit where. Believe me, as you grow and your storage solutions grow with you, well, you can implement some of these kind of same things. Instead of having to go, dig through this drawer to get this tool, well, you can open this drawer. It's right there, easy to grab. Good example of that is something I use, well, constantly. My coolant test adapters. They're organized in the case they came in, but I've removed the lid. Why? So I can easily get to them. So I can just go in there, grab my test adapter, grab my air-powered, tester, pressure test the system and find the leak. The same with my, well, wire repair drawer. I have all the tools necessary. Now that drawer is a mess. I know it is. I put it in here just to screw with the OCD guys. But that's where I go to when I need to do wiring repairs. When I need to solder, if I'm going to do a crimp connector, I've got crimp connectors that seal in there. I've got the proper ratcheting style tool for the crimp connectors, heat shrink, everything I need to do wiring repairs other than the wires that I generally, I'm using a connector, so I'm already got wires. When the hits the fan and you need to get something fixed, i.e. threads, helicoil, that's all in one drawer. I do that for the same reason. Because, well, if I'm fixing threads, I'm going to be going for, well, the same drawer. And so I group it all together. Same with my metric wrenches, same with my SAE wrenches that don't get used at all, more or less. I group that all together because that way I can, well, go for the wrenches I need. I don't use standard so much, so I've got to grab a standard wrench. It takes me a minute to find the right one because I'm used to metric. That's my method of madness, is I group tools that are going to be needed commonly together because, well, that's where you're going to put them. That's where you're going to use them. Adam Savage has a term, and I can't remember what it is right off the top of my head, even though I was just watching a tested video. First right of retrieval or something like that. But anyway, that's how I go. Open a drawer and grab the tap I need, the rethreading die I need to fix what I'm, going on. So I group it like that. So that's an easy way, if you have the space, to make yourself more efficient. So as always, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.